Welcome to the Social Planner. In order to find the Social Planner, you can navigate to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Marketing. You will then be greeted with a page and the details of which accounts you can connect. These include Facebook, Google My Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, as well as Pinterest. Each one of these buttons will take you to the login page in order to grant your account access to this publishing Social Planner. For example, if we click on the Connect Facebook, it'll take us to a page to log in with Facebook. If you are already logged into your Facebook account, it'll prompt you to grant access to your account to the Social Planner in order to post to Facebook. Let's try connecting Instagram. When we click on Instagram, a different pop-up shows up. In order to connect your Instagram account, it'll be necessary to make sure that it's an Instagram business or a creator account. You will then need to make sure to log in to your page and to add your Instagram account to your Facebook page. You can do that and then click on Login to Facebook. Make sure to have your Facebook account connected first. The same is very similar for Google My Business. Make sure you're logged into your Google account that has access to the Google My Business page. If you click on the Connect with LinkedIn, it'll take you to the LinkedIn page, and if you're already logged in, then it'll just prompt you to grant access. Same thing for the X account. You'll need to make sure to authorize and grant access to your account for the Social Planner. Once you sign in, you click on Authorize App, and you'll be able to connect your X account. For connecting TikTok, you'll be prompted with two options, an individual or a business. Each one of these has varying limitations on the TikTok side, as well as what you can post inside the Social Planner. So be aware of the limitations of your account and what you would like to be able to do on the TikTok side before selecting and connecting a TikTok account. Last but not least is connecting a Pinterest account. When we click on Connect Pinterest, it'll take us to the Pinterest page, and you can click on Give Access, or if you're not logged in yet, you'll need to log into your account, and then you'll be prompted with an Authorized App page, and you can give access. Once you have one or more accounts connected, you can then go to the Scheduling Post page inside of the Social Planner.